Good morning. It is Thursday, the 10th of December 2025, and the 10th day of Vlogmas, and also the 4th day of QueerLit Readathon. It is 8:15 in the morning, which means that the sun will be up in 45 minutes. Sunrise today is at 9 o'clock. Closing in to winter solstice. Today's coffee is Nombre de Dios Tabi, and it has flavor notes of lychee, glass apple and vanilla.
Everyone's intentional, every image is clear, optimized perfectly. This particular poem collection, some of them are just like poems on thoughts and feelings, but a lot of them are actually poems connected to things we I only realised recently, one of the theories I read,
I thought I would share with you my crocheting update, I guess. And so this was the one I finished already, and now I finished another one, which is this one. And as you can see, I am taking 4 like smaller granny squares and putting them into like sewing them together, the 4 of them, or not sewing, I'm actually crocheting them together. And then when I've done that, I crochet it around so that I get like a bigger square. So I'm going to make 15 of these bigger squares. I do have like 64 smaller squares, but I'm not using all of them for this project. I'm going to make 15 of these, and then eventually they will all turn into a blankie. So that's going to be exciting. So I have done 2 of 16, so that's progress, so that's something at least. And yeah, I'm actually quite pleased about that. What on earth? There are 2 hen. So there's one there and one there. That is so strange. I've never seen them here before. Where did they come from? Do they belong here? I have questions. I am walking along the river to work because I've been to the city center and mailed off a gift for the Secret Santa that I talked about yesterday. And now I'm on my way to work. I have coffee and yeah, that's pretty much it. It's nice to walk around. It's nice to walk along the river. Today is a very lovely day as well. It's a bit foggy, but that's fine. And also I just love that it's sunny and it's kind of warm. It's like 8 degrees, I think, so my coat is really too warm, but it's all good. And I love this walk along the river. Right now I'm up in the kids department because I needed to talk to the librarian up here about something, and it's quite a nice place to be. I'm not normally here that much, but it's fun. H-O O-M. Osterholt. Not what I'm looking for, but my grandmother's cousin, I think she was. Oh, look. Ragnar Hovland. Oh, very productive man. If I could just find, there we go. This is the book that a patron was asking for. Ragnar Hovland. Verdt å vite, tror jeg. I am done with work for today, so I'm about to leave, and I'm going to walk home as per usual. I think the weather is okay. I can't really see because it's completely dark outside, but I think it's okay weather, so that's what I'm going to do now. It's walk home. Since I've been working late, it is also getting late pretty quickly. It's like after coming home from work, I have a snack and then it feels like the day is over. So I need to end this here, and I hope you enjoyed coming along with me today to work, to the city center, walking along the river. And yeah, if you managed to get to this part of the video, leave a little boat emoji in the comments. And until tomorrow, bye!